Well, now that you have your hair grown and styled, let's add some dynamics to control how the hair will behave during animations. The first thing you want to do is check the Do Collisions box, and checking this box enables collision detection for the current hair group. And remember, you can only do this one hair group at a time, but what the collisions will do will prevent hairs from penetrating other objects in the scene. For example, long hair will not penetrate a figure's head. And in order to ensure proper collision detection, make sure that all body parts for which you want the hair to collide have the collision detection checkbox set on the Properties palette. The gravity parameter controls the strength of gravitational force acting on the hair. Spring strength parameter determines the hair springiness. If you increase this value, that increases the springiness. And a rubber band is a good example of an object with a high amount of springiness to it. Air damping specifies the hair's air resistance that occurs whenever the hair is moving through the air. Short hair has a lower resistance than long hair. Spring damping controls the hair's elasticity. The bend resistance controls the hair's resistance to bending or folding on itself. The position force parameter is a force that pulls the hair vertices towards the choreographed position. Increasing this value decreases hair dynamics and vice versa. And then clicking the Calculate Dynamics button applies the current dynamic settings to the selected hair group. The number of frames in the keyframed animation determines the calculation length, and populated hairs do not display during calculation.